sorry, Disney Plus is not available in your region. Maybe you have seen this error message, and that's why you searched for this YouTube video. And I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. And Disney Plus is available in many, many countries, but like the most content is available in the US. So maybe you just want to use the US Disney Plus version, even if you're in a country where Disney Plus is available. And you can do that by using a simple tool like ExpressVPN or another VPN. I will talk about VPNs, different versions a little bit later. But first, I just wanted to show you. So here I selected as a country. I can choose many different locations all over the world. So I can just go to recommended, or I can go by country. And here you can see in the US there are many entry points. So basically you're choosing where you enter the internet with your system once you installed this VPN. So I'm choosing Washington DC right now. And then I'm going to reload this website. Disney Plus automatically redirected me to unavailable. So I have to delete this in the browser. And so let's try to go to disneyplus.com. And as you can see, now I can actually access Disney, the US version with Hulu and ESPN. So now I could log in if I would have a login, but actually there are many other websites like Roku, Pluto TV, Tubi, Crackle, Peacock, and so on, which have free streaming services. So I'm actually not using Disney Plus, but I'm quite sure that ExpressVPN works for Disney Plus. And as you can see now here, you can actually log in or sign up. And yeah, there's no error message. So if you got an error message, then you cannot even sign up or log in, but now you can. And especially also if you have a Disney Plus account and you're in some country where Disney Plus is not supported, you also can use your Disney Plus account in that country. I have links for the best VPNs below in the description and in the comment section. So I recommend ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or ViperVPN. So they're all very good premium services, but they also cost something. So ExpressVPN you can install on all systems. ViperVPN also, and they also support a lot of login locations, like many in the US, and also NordVPN. They have a lot of locations in the US and in many other countries. And for free VPNs, there are a lot of warnings about free VPNs. Hackers use free VPN offers, so I would not really recommend them. But it's your choice. I'm not recommending any of them. I'm recommending these three. You can find below in the description or in the comments. And I hope you like this video, and I hope now you can watch Disney Plus wherever you are.